Hey guys, I am going to start a new series where I am talking about shooting guns from an EUC because like I said in my tips and tricks video for the EUC, I think this technology can change the world and I think even the military should consider it. So in this video, I'm going to be practicing with 3 guns. I'm going to start out with the BB gun, move up to this 22 and end with the shotgun so that I can experience what it feels like to have a kick while I'm riding on the EUC. Okay, so just so when I get a feel for it, I'm starting out with this BB gun and it's pretty easy to cock. I'm on terrain because most of the time, if we're gonna be in a military setting, you need to factor in that the terrain's not gonna be a road. And so I'm gonna try to hit a few targets. Got that tree over there. Pretty easy to keep it aimed. I really feel like I have a lot of control right now, being able to shoot things even if I'm shooting from behind me, shooting over here. Oh, do y'all see that? This BB just reflected off that tree and hit me in the face. Luckily it's a BB gun. That reminds me about the movie The Christmas Story where that guy, they're like, you're gonna shoot your eye out with the BB gun. And he ends up actually shooting almost his eye out. So anyways, I feel like I have a lot of control, but obviously this gun has no kick on it. So I think that we really need to move up to the next gun. Okay, so for this next gun, I want to test accuracy. You can see here I've got these targets where when you shoot them and you hit them hard enough, they'll flip around, but they're made out of metal so we can use them over and over again. So I'm going to try to shoot these targets with the 22 while on this EUC, which I think is going to be the hardest challenge that I do in this video. Taking the safety off, we're gonna just try going straight at the targets. Oh, this is hard. Okay, that didn't work. I'm gonna come back. Okay, I kind of hit it. Let me try again. I'm just a little shaky. That is hard. I mean, I am using a very small bullet at a pretty small target. There we go. Woo! Did it! All right, now I'm gonna try to shoot behind me. Okay, I almost hit it. Ran out of ammo. Okay, so because my battery on my drone is probably about to run out, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the shotgun, which is not gonna be so much on accuracy and more just knowing, will the kick of the gun mess up me on the solo wheel? So we're gonna try that next. Oh, see that? That was awesome. Let's try it again at a little more of an angle. That was pretty good. It was I definitely felt the kick, but it didn't throw me off at all. All right, for the ultimate test. That's awesome. Because my body has gotten so used to the EUC, it just naturally absorbed the shock of the gun and kept myself balanced without me even having to think about it. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. As I suspected, the kick does not end up affecting the EUC as much as we thought. So I'm gonna be practicing a little bit more and kind of getting my accuracy up. And in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you guys working with an AR-15 from this solo wheel. And I am gonna get the S20, which is a solo wheel with suspension and a lot more power. So I'm also gonna try out that when I end up getting that one. But this gun is what the military actually uses. So if I can show that I could be more effective with this gun on this wheel than I can be without this wheel, then I think that I've made a good enough case that the military should start using these wheels for their troops as an effective tool for transportation for foot soldiers. All right guys, I'll see you next time.